Hello kids, good morning my flowers of Gurukul English Medium School. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well, isn't it? Good. So kids, welcome back to GK class with a new lesson number 10, Great Inventions. Kids, do you know about an inventor? No? Okay, let me explain you. An inventor is a person who creates or discovers a new method, form or other useful device. So children, today we are going to learn about famous inventors and their inventions. So, have you imagined how our ancestors lived without transport? Here, ancestors means a member of a family who lived long ago. Long ago, there have been many great discoveries that have improved our style of living. Here is a list of some great inventions that changed the way we live. Now, our first invention is the wheel. Children, do you know about wheel? Okay, I will explain you. Long ago, there were no means of transport. Man carried his goods on his back or on the backs of domesticated animals. One day, man saw a round stone rolling down. From this, he got the idea of wheel. Thus, the first wheel was invented. It made man's life easy. Wheels are circle in shape. Wheels were invented about 5,500 years ago to carry heavy objects from one place to another. Later, wheels were put to various uses. Pots were made on the potter's wheel. Children, nowadays we see the pots are different in shapes and colors. Children, do you know our national leader Mahatma Gandhi initiated the Swadeshi movement by taking up the charkha and encouraging the Indians to spin their own cloth. Children, in our national flag, charkha etched in the middle, which is known by Ashoka Chakra. Kids, the wheels were also used for crop irrigation and grinding grains, as well as to supply drinking water to villages. Nowadays, you can see all vehicles that move on roads and tracks such as bicycles, scooters, cars, buses, trucks, trams, trains, etc. have wheels. Aeroplanes also have small wheels. Now, move to next invention is the abacus. The word abacus had been derived from a Greek word abax. The abacus is the most primitive form of calculating device. The abacus is also known as the first computer. This invention took place 2500 years back. That was the time when the abacus instrument was made for long to do simple calculations, and it is still used to do like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Children, now next invention is steam engine. The first railway steam engine was invented by inventor Richard Trevithick in the year 1804 in United Kingdom. With the invention of the steam engine, it became easier for people to travel long distances in less time. As steam engine is a mechanical source of power do not cause pollution. Due to some reasons, nowadays steam engines are not used for transport. Kids, now next invention is telephone. The telephone was invented by Sir Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. It helped people to connect across long distances through voice communication. The old telephone was called as candlestick telephone. Kids, the telephone is one invention that changed the world and opened a wide world of communication. Nowadays, mobile phones being one of the most important one. Most of us are busy in chatting and sharing pictures on social network. This helps us in developing global business and communication. Children, now move to next invention is automobile. Inventor Carl Benz invented the first petrol and gasoline fueled car in the year 1886. It was a three-wheeled car called motor wagon, could carry 2 passengers. The vehicle contained many new inventions. Carl Benz later made more models of the motor wagon. Dear children, a model of Benz first car was made available for purchase. So, the early three-wheeled car was followed by four-wheeled vehicles, which Carl Benz began to invent. And nowadays, dear children, you can see many four-wheelers are produced. Kids, our next invention is airplane. Orville and Wilbur Wright, popularly known as the Wright brothers, they developed the first successful airplane in the year 1903. In the first attempt, they were failed. Wright brothers finished work on a machine and began making flights, as human beings have only been traveling by air for just over 100 years, but we have already filled the heavens. And kids, now you can see different types of planes, aeroplanes, helicopters, etc. Children, now our next invention is light bulb. Kids, have you ever wondered how light bulb came into existence? Come, let's see. Back in the days before the light bulb was invented, use of candles were quite common in households. Even today also, we use candle when we experience a blackout. Though candles are beautiful to look at, but they can be very dangerous for some time. At that time, light was not invented, and that is why we need to thank Thomas Alva Edison, is known to be the inventor of the bulb, who invented the first ever light bulb because he invented the first fully functional lighting system. But to make his invention viable, Edison faced a major hurdle. Edison experimented with different kinds of filaments to find the perfect match for his light bulb. He tried copper, platinum, and at last he tried filaments made from metal. This was included a generator, wiring, and carbon filament bulb that has since enlightened the world. So now when you switch on the light at home, you know who invented it. Children, now our last but not the least invention is computer. Are you excited to listen? Who invented computer? Yes, Okay, let's see. Charles Babbage, who is called the father of computers, was the first to invent the computer in the early 19th century. Computer was designed the first automatic computing engines that eventually led to more complex electronic designs. Though all the essential ideas of modern computers are to be found. Children, nowadays computers have become one of the part in our daily life. Here are some different fields where computers are used, like banks and financial, business, communication, defense and military, education, internet, medical, transportation, etc. So, my smarty kids, hope you understood about inventions and enjoyed this lesson, isn't it? Yes, excellent. I know my superstars are smart. So, complete your work. Till then, see you soon. Goodbye. Love you all. Take care.